What's up guys, I got the 1919 Cordless Wahl Senior. It's the 100-year anniversary. This is going to be a quick brief video on unboxing and a review as well. Go. Now for a review of the 1919 Wahl Cordless Senior and the regular one. Haven't used this one already a couple times. It has the same power as this one, but the key major differences that I see between this one and this one is that this one right here has a plastic cover, this one has a metal one, and then the levers are different. This one has a plastic one, and this one has a metal one. The blades are different. This one here has a flat surgical blade, and this one has a tapered blade, which is a thicker one, which is easier to scoop. And this one gets a little closer. You kind of have to have a better touch, so when you're fading, it's not, you don't make lines. And one thing I will also point out is that when you want to zero gap this one, you can't really do it because the blade pad assembly, which is the part that's right here, this one here, it doesn't let you push this blade all the way down to where you can overlap it or zero gap it. And one way around that is if you swap this one and take off this screw here, and you can take this part off, which is the one you want to swap out for a Wahl Cordless Senior or any Wahl clipper that has a surgical blade, and you'll be able to put in a surgical blade or get this blade a lot closer to the cutter blade. All in all, I recommend it. It's a good machine. If you want to look to invest in this one, go ahead, get it. It's great. And thank you for watching the video. Peace.